First, make sure you have a picture of the Wi-Fi QR code saved on your laptop. I already have a digital version here, but if the QR code is printed somewhere, like on a sticker in a coffee shop, just take a photo with your phone, email it to yourself, and save it on your computer. Once you've got the QR code image, open any web browser and go to google.com. If your laptop doesn't have internet, turn on your phone's mobile hotspot, connect to it, and stay connected just long enough to scan the QR code and get the Wi-Fi password. In Google, type QR Reader online. There are plenty of free sites you can use, but I'll include a link to the one I recommend in the video description. When you open the site, you'll see an option to upload your QR code image. Click Choose File, select the saved QR code photo, and the site will scan it instantly. You'll then see two details: S equals network name, SSID, P equals password. Copy the password, connect to the network, and you're ready to go. And that's it, a quick and easy way to scan a Wi-Fi QR code on your laptop and get connected. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.